Formal letters. Hello everyone. Do you know this test type? In formal letters, we need to write in formal language. We also need to be more polite when writing a formal letter. Adults usually write formal letters at work, or apply for jobs, or to complain about different things. Let's learn about the features of the formal letter.
Flat B, 5th floor, Sunshine Garden, 10 Smiley Road, Prince Edward, Kowloon. Sender's address, 23rd of April 2000 and date. The manager, MTR Corporation Limited, GPO Box 9916, Hong Kong. Recipient's job title, company name and address. Dear Sir, Madam. Polite greeting. Write Dear, Mr., Miss, Mrs., Ms., surname when you know the recipient's name. Polite behavior on trains. Subject line. I am writing to make some suggestions about how to promote polite behavior on trains. Opening. Reason for writing the letter. Most people are polite on the MTR, but some people are not. There are posters about good behavior in the MTR stations and on trains, but I think it is a good idea to put those posters in other places in the city as well. The MTR can put advertisements in newspapers or on some social networking websites to help people understand polite behavior. The MTR can also put advertisements on TV. Maybe some famous Hong Kong stars can help teach people about polite behavior in the advertisements. Main body. Details of the letter. Thank you very much for reading my letter. I know that the MTR will do its best to promote polite behavior on trains. Ending. A word of thanks. Yours faithfully, Jade Fong.
Look at the top right corner of this letter. This is the sender's address. It means the address of the person sending this letter. We need to start a formal letter with our full address on the top right corner. We always start with the smallest address. Under the address, we put the date. We usually write the date in the order of day, month, year. Then we put the recipient's information. Recipient means the person who will receive the letter. We should put the recipient's job title, company name, and address slightly below the date on the left side of the letter. Then is the greeting. After writing the information above, we can start our letter with a polite greeting. If we know the recipient's name, we can put Dear Mr., Miss, Mrs., or Ms. before this person's surname. If we don't know the name of the person we are writing to, we can start with Dear Sir, Madam, like this one. Under the greeting, we should put the subject line in the center. It tells the reader what this letter is about. Under it, we have the main text of the letter. It can be divided into 3 parts. The first part is the opening. We explain the reason for writing the letter here. We usually keep it short. The second part is the main body. Here we write about the subject in details. The last part is the ending. We usually include a word of thanks for the recipient. Finally, we have the closing and the sign off. we should end a formal letter with a polite closing, such as here, yours faithfully. If we know the recipient's name, we can write yours sincerely. Under it, we need to sign our name and put our full name there. So these are the features of a formal letter. Now, let's look at the test type task. Answer the questions. Fill in the blanks or circle the correct answer. 1. We can find the of this letter under the polite greeting. 2. We can learn about why the sender wrote the letter in the 3. The sender knows, does not know, the name of the recipient of the letter. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you soon!